Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Nayan Education. Friends, number system, in the number system various mathematical operations are there: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division in a very faster manner is an art. So similar type of one of the making square of a number I would like to introduce before you. Friends, you know, in several theories, several type of techniques are there in order to find out square and square root, but those are limited to two-digit number or three-digit number or four-digit number, or it may be very difficult for calculating squares in higher digit numbers. But I would like to introduce before you the duplex combination process in order to find the square of any digit number. You may find out square of single digit number, you may find out square of two digit number, you may find out square of three digit number, four digit number, five digit number, or any digit numbers. So let us understand this method in a very briefing manner. So friends, first of all, I would like to introduce this word, duplex. What is a duplex? So how it is implemented in order to calculate square of a number? See friends, duplex of a single digit number, I have written here the formula. Duplex of a single digit number, let the digit be a, then its duplex would be a square. Duplex of double digit number AB, suppose it would be 2 into AB. Duplex of triple digit number ABC, it would be 2AC plus B square. How it is happening? See friends, duplex of a single digit number, I would like to give an example. Duplex of 2 is 2 square, that is 4. Duplex of 8 is 8 square, that is 64. Alright? Now, you can see duplex of a single digit number is a square, where duplex of a three digit number is b square plus product of 2 into product of the terminal terms. In case of double digit number, twice of the product of both the terms is the duplex of that number. In a four digit number, see, duplex of a four digit number is product of the terminal terms, pair of terminal terms into 2 plus pair of the middle terms into 2. So duplex of 5 digit number is 2 into AE, product of two terminal numbers, then product of these two numbers into 2 plus square of this middle number. So I would like to give some examples. This is duplex of a single digit number, duplex of a double digit number. Suppose duplex of 12, it would be 2 into AB, that is 1 into 2. So it will be 4. Duplex of a triple digit number, suppose 1, 2, 3. Here 2 into 1 into 3, 2 into 1 into 3 plus square of the middle term, 2 square, that will be 4 plus 2, 3 is 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Duplex of a 4 digit number, let 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be 2 into terminal terms, pair of terminal terms, and 2 into this pair of middle terms, that is 2 into 1 into 4, 8 plus 2 into 3, 12, it will be 20. Product of a 5 digit number, duplex of a 5 digit number, let 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it would be 2 into 1 into 5, that is 10 plus 2 into 2 into 4, that is 16 plus 3 square, that is 9. So 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 10, 35. So this is how you can find out the duplex of any digit number. And this is implemented in order to find out the square of any digit number. So see friends, how it is possible in case of finding square of any number. Let us take an example of two-digit number. Suppose square of 23. See friends, listen to me. When you find out the square of any number, then first you have to start from the right number. That means unit digit number. So what is the duplex of 3? See friends, this is a single digit number and duplex of a single digit number is a square. That is 3 square. Duplex of 3 is 9. Now see, what is the duplex of 23? Next day, from rightwards. 23, the duplex of 23 is 2 into a into b. 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12. Then drop 2, 1 carry. Now, as all the digits have been completed once, then you have to leave one by one digit from rightwards. Leave 3. What is the duplex of 2? 2 square, that is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 529 is the square of 23. Isn't it so simple, friends? You can find out square of any digit number in a single line like this. See friends, what is the square of 213? You can see, I have already told you, you have to start from the right one. So, what is the duplex of 3 friends? 9. Now, what is the duplex of 1 3? 2 into 1 into 3, that is 2 3 is 6, 1 is 6. Now I can find out the duplex of 213. What is the duplex of 213? Square of 1 plus 2 into a into c, that is 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12 plus square of 1. Isn't it? So 12 plus 1, 13. Drop 3, 1 carry. Now leave one by one digit as it has been completed once. So leave 3, and what would be the duplex of 21 friends? 2 into 1, that is 4 plus 1, 5. Then again leave 1. What is the duplex of 2 friends? 2 square, that is 4. So this is the square of this number. 4 5 3 6 9. Isn't it so simple? Okay. Now let us see the square of a 4-digit number. 2153. What would be its square? See friends. First we have to start from right. What is the duplex of 3? 9. What is the duplex of 5 3? 2 into a into b. 5 3 is 15, 2 is 30. Drop 0, 3 carry. What is the duplex of 153? 2 into 1 into 3, 6 plus 5 square, 25 plus 6, 31. 31 plus 3, 34. Drop 4, carry 3. What is the duplex of 2153 friends? Now see, 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12, plus 2 into 1 into 5, that is 10. 12 plus 10, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. 5, 2 carry. Now leave one by one number from rightwards. Leave 3. What is the duplex of 215? 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20, plus 1 square, 21, plus 2, 23. Then leave 5. What is the duplex of 21? 2 into 2 into 1, that is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Then again leave 1. What is the duplex of 2? Simply 2 square, that is 4. So square is 4635 409. Isn't it so simple friends? Now again, let us find out the square of a 5-digit number. 1 2 3 2 1. Let us find out its square. Friends, take first digit from the rightwards. What is the duplex of 1? 1. What is the duplex of 2, 1? 2 into 2 into 1, that is 4. Now, what is the duplex of 3, 2 into 1? 2 into 3, 6 into 1, 6 plus 2 square, 10. So, 0, 1 carry. What is the duplex of 2, 3, 2, 1? 2 into 2 into 1, that is 4, plus 2 into 3 into 2, that is 12. 12 plus 4, 16, plus 1, 17. What is the duplex of this 5-digit number? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 2 into 1 into 1, 2, plus 2 into 2 into 2, 8, plus 1, 9, and 3 square, 9, 18. Then drop 8, 1 carry. Now leave one number from rightwards. Drop 1. What is the duplex of 1, 2, 3, 2? 2 into 1 into 2, that is 4, plus 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. 12 plus 2, 14, plus 1, 15. 1 carry. Now again leave 2. What is the duplex of 123? 2 into 1 into 3, 6, plus 2 square, 4, that is 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. Again 1 carry. Leave 3. What is the duplex of 1, 2? 2 into 1 into 2, that is 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Again leave 2. What is the duplex of 1? 1 square, that is 1. So its square is 1, 5, 1, 5, 8, 7, 0, 4, 1. So it is so simple, friends. Perhaps it will be very interesting for you, and you can find out the square of any digit number in this manner in a very short period of time and very easily. I think it will be very helpful for your future, friends. So kindly practice all types of squaring numbers, that is 2 digit, 3 digit, 5 digit, 4 digit and 6 digit numbers, so that you can make it very fast. And I think this is the fastest method in order to calculate square of any digit number. Okay, friends? So thank you for this session.